Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to reset Weight Watchers scale, clear memory and fix display error step by step. Step 1. Turn the scale over. Place the scale upside down on a flat surface and locate the reset button on the bottom. It is usually a small recessed hole. Step 2. Press the reset button. Use a paperclip, pin or similar object to press and hold the reset button for about 3 to 5 seconds. Some models will display clear to confirm that memory and user data have been erased. Step 3. Wait for the scale to restart. Release the button and allow the scale to power down and restart. The scale should return to its factory default settings. Step 4. Initialize the scale. Place the scale on a hard level floor. Tap the platform lightly to wake it up and wait until 0.0 appears before stepping on it. Stepping on too early can cause errors. Step 5. Test the scale. Step on the scale, wait for your weight to display, then step off. If the scale returns to 0.0 afterward, the reset was successful. How to fix common display errors? ERR message. Wait for 0.0 to appear before stepping on the scale. Ensure the scale is on a hard, flat surface. Verify your weight does not exceed the scale's capacity. LO message. Replace all batteries with fresh batteries. Reinstall them correctly according to the polarity markings. Frozen or incorrect readings. Remove the batteries for 30 seconds. Reinsert the batteries and perform the reset process again. Recalibrate by waiting for 0.0 before weighing yourself. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.